ओम सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम। So, the Sarvanama Samudnya we saw, then Gana Sutra we saw, then the three Gana Sutras which are in Gana Patha as well as in Sutra Patha. So the difference between the meaning of both those types of sutras, Gana Sutra as well as the Sutra Pathastha Sutra, that we saw, and the work also we saw. Now we'll go ahead. We just finished Purva Paravara Dakshinottara Dharani Vyavasthayam Saudhya, isn't it? We had not seen Swamadhyati Dhanakhyayam. Meaning we had seen, but Sutra we had not seen. Na?
No.
So we will read Sutra, we will see, and then we will move. Swamadhyati Dhanakhyayam, Swamadhyati Dhanakhyayam, Swamadhyati Dhanakhyayam. Swam Adnyati Dhanakhyayam. That is the Gana Sutra. That Swa Shabda becomes Sarvanama in the sense of Adnyati, means when there is no sense of Jati, and Dhana means wealth. Then the meaning that Swa Shabda becomes this Sarvanama. But now then it was becoming all the time. Then this sutra comes Ashtadhyaya in Ashtadhyayi, and it says that when there is jasi pare swashabdasya prapta saudnya prapta sarvanama saudnya jasi vasya. So when there is jas pratyaya in front of it, then here sarvanama saudnya happens vikalpena. So when sarvanama saudnya does not happen, then purva savarna pratamayo purva savarna takes place. Then Rutva Visarga Swaha. That is one form. And then if Sarvanama Samudnya happens, Vikalpena it is said. So if Sarvanama Samudnya happens, so Jasash Shi Swa plus just Swa Shi Swa. The Shakara disappears, the Shakwa Tadvite. Then Guna takes place. Swe and Swaha, both the forms will be there. Atmiyaha or Atmanaha itiwa. So Atmanaha means hum, aap. That's how the meaning comes out. Atmiya means ours. That is the meaning. Then Jnati dhanavachinah tu swaha jnatayah arthaha va. Swaha means this when there is a sense of jnati and when there is a sense of artha, then it is swaha only and not swe. There the sarvanama saudhya will not happen.
Atmiya, what is the pratyaya?
Atmiya. Ayan, ayan, iya. Kha pratyay will be there.
Kha pratyaya.
Ayaneyah padakajagam pratyayadinam.
And is there a sutra for kha pratyaya too?
This is I will show. Ayaneyah padakajagam pratyayadinam.
I will look at it. That's okay. You can proceed.
Okay. So this sutra artha is clear. This same process just that it happened to Purvaha Purve. Then next sutra. Antaram bahiryogopasamvyanayoh. Antaram bahiryogopasamvyanayoh. Antaram bahiryogopasamvyanayoh. Antara Shabda, again it is named as Sarvanama optionally when there is just Pratyay in front of it. Same. Okay. In what sense? Bahye paridhaniye. Bahye and paridhaniye. Bahya means that which is outside or outsider. Paridhaniya means that which is worn. So the Bahya is different meaning, Paridhaniya is different meaning. Now Paridhaniya means the cloth. Bahya means that which is outside, whatever is that. अर्थे अंतर शब्दस्य प्राप्ता सर्वनाम संज्ञा जैसी विकल्पेन भवति. सो अंतर just Purva Savarna Dirgha takes place and Antaraha. Just in short, I have written. And if the Shi Adesha happens, then Antara plus just a Shi Antara plus Shi Antara plus the Gunasandhi takes place and Antare. Bahyaha Grihaha, and this Griha Shabda how? Just I want to see the meaning. Bahya Griha Shabda has gender. The Gruha Shabda is Pullinga as well as Napunsakalinga. We are used to only this Napunsakalinga, but Bahyaha Grihaha. So Antaraha Grihaha means those which are outside houses. Again Antare Grihaha. So houses which are there outside of whatever we can say. So Antaraha Grihaha. Antare Grihaha. So houses which are not inside the village, inside the city, which are outside, they can be addressed as antare grihaha, antaraha grihaha, like that. Bahyaha ityartha. What is the meaning of antaraha grihaha? So outside houses. That is the meaning. Antare antaraha va shatakaha. So the cloth, shataka is the white plain cloth. Antare shatakaha or antaraha shatakaha. The garments which are worn undergarments. So not which are those clothes which are not worn outside. They are called antaraha or antare shatakaha. Paridhaniyaha. Paridhaniyaha, that which is worn. Okay, ityartha, that is the meaning. Now, if there is another meaning apart from this of antara shabda, then the sarvanama saudhnya will not happen. In this sense, only sarvanama saudhnya happens, and in this sense, sarvanama saudhnya happens optionally when there is jas pratyaya. When there is no jas pratyaya, there are only other pratyayas, then the sarvanama saudhnya will happen always. In the case of jas, it will happen optionally. So this is clear now. The next sutra. Purvadibhyo navabhyo va, purvadibhyo navabhyo va, purvadibhyo navabhyo va. Now this sutra comes after Ngasingyo Smatsmino. First of all, let's understand what is this. Purvadibhya, ebhya Ngasingyo Smatsmino vastha. So ebhya purvadibhya. So who are these purvadibhya? So purva paravara dakshinottara paradharani. So from purva we have to count 9. So purva, para, avara, dakshina, uttara, apara, adhara, then this swa and antara. Altogether 9. So all three sutras are collectively, whatever the sarvanamas are mentioned in these 3 Gana sutras are given purvadibhya navabhya. So purvadi nava. Purvadi navas are purva, para, avara, dakshina, uttara, adhara, apara, antara, swa. These 9. From them, what happens? So that is being said here. Nava. Purva, para, avara, dakshina, uttara, apara, adhara, swa, antara. These. Now, smatsminau vastha. Ebhya navabhya. Ebhya navabhya ngasi nyoho smat vastha. Ebhya navabhya ngasi cha nischa ngasingi tayoho ngasinyoho smatsmino, on the place of ngasi and ni, on the places of these 2 pratyayas, what will come? Smat will come and smin will come. So Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachana ngasi will be replaced by smat, and this Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachana ni will be replaced by smin. Here also, what is happening? Here also, optionally, ngasi and ni are getting replaced by smat and smin. Means what? Earlier, just purva smat was prapta because of sarvanama saudhnya, but due to this sutra, what happens? It happens optionally. So purvat is also possible. So first, let's see this sutra. This is purvadibhyo navabhyo va and ngasingyo smatsmino. This is the sutra which we have learned. So sarvanamnaha ngasingyoho smatsminostah. So sarvanama, this sarvanama pada comes anuvritta here. So sarvanamnaha, from the sarvanama, if there is ngasi pratyaya or ni pratyaya, both of them will be replaced by smat and smin respectively. So ngasi was replaced by smat and ni was replaced by smin when when there is anga named as sarvanama. Something is sarvanama, and from sarvanama these two pratyas are coming, they will be replaced by this. Now purvadibhyah, so purva paravara dakshinottara paradharani vyavasthayam saudnyam. This sutra, what does it say? It says that may these words be named as sarvanama, may antara shabda be named as sarvanama, may swa shabda also be named as sarvanama in certain meanings. That is fine, but they are named as sarvanama. Now, after being named as sarvanama, as per the Nasingyo Smatsmina, these replacements will happen always. They were prapta always, nitya prapta. But purvadibhyo navabhyo sutra, what does it say? It says that if there is sarvanama and it comes under purvadi 9, then the replacement, which is smat and smin, will happen optionally. In the case of this Jasi, the earlier three sutras, they played those three sutras were doing sarvanama samudnya optionally, whereas this sutra, it does not changes the sarvanama samudnya, but rather it says that may the pratyaya come optionally. So finally, what the one sutra means, the above three sutras are talking about the sarvanama samudnya of anga, whereas this sutra talks about the pratyaya. At the end, by these four sutras, we just having the proper forms. Either you make change or work on pratyayas, or you work on anga. At the end, we must get the final pratyaya, the final form which is expected, which is desired. That is the prayojana. So earlier we got two different forms like purve, purvaha, swe, swaha. By doing what? By changing sarvanama saudhnya, or by giving sarvanama saudhnya optionally in the case of just pratyaya. Now in the case of ngasi and ni, we are just replacing this, bringing this smatsmina adesha optionally, whereas sarvanama saudhnya is there. Okay. So this is purvadibhyo navabhyo va sarvanamnah ngasinyoho smatsminau purvadibhyah sarvanamabhyah ngasinyoho smatsminau vikalpena stah. That is the meaning. Ebhyah navabhyah ngasinyoho navabhyah namabhyah. This is not there, so we will just add ngasinyoho smatsminau vastah vikalpena stah. Now this is, I have just written, but let's see the prakriya. Prakriya will go like this. Purva plus ngasi was there. Then the sarvadini sarvanamani. Then purva paravara dakshinottara paradharani. By that second sutra, it was sarvanama samudnyaka. And it is pratipadika arthat swauja samudchashtabhyam bis nya pratipadika. By that pratyaya parascha swauja samudchashtabhyam bis pratyaya comes ngasi panchami bhakti ekvachana. Now purva plus ngasi was getting replaced always by smat. By which sutra? Ngasinyoho smatsminau. By this sutra. Sarvanamnah ngasinyoho smatsminau stah. But here this sutra comes purva smat optionally the ni is replaced by at. Ta asi ta nat syaha. Ta asi asami nat syaha. Adanta Sarvanama is there. The Ajanta Sarvanama is there. Then Ta, Ngasi and Ngas, they are replaced by Ina, At and Sya. Here, this is Akaranta Ajanta Anga. So it is replaced by At. So now what we have got? Two different forms. Smat was coming because of Ngasing Yoho Smats Mino. At comes At cannot come because Ngasing Yoho Smats Mino. In the case of Sarvanama, only Smat comes on the place of Ngasi. But this At, in order to get this At, the Sutra came Purvadibhyo. Purvadibhyo Navabhyo Va. What does it say? It says that in the case of Purva, etc., the 9 nouns, 9 pronouns, this Smat will come optionally, which was happening always by Ngasing Yoho Smats Mino. It will happen optionally. So here we get chance to bring that At as well. Purva plus Smat plus At. What is the reason? So Purva Dibhyo Navabhyo Va Navabhyo Va Smats Minaustah, and then At kena stah, At kena syat, At Ta Ngasi Ngasa Minat Syaha. So this will bring Smat, and this will bring At. When Sarvanama Saudhna is there, Smat will come. When Sarvanama Saudhna is not there, At will come. So just then you have to connect Purva Smat 1, then Purvat Dirgha takes place. These are our answers. Purva Smat, Purvat. Then Purva Para, Parasmat, Parat. Avara, Avarasmat, Avarat. Dakshina, Dakshinasmat, Dakshinat. Then this Dakshina. Uttara, Uttarasmat, Uttarat. Then Uttara, Apara, Aparasmat, Aparat. Adhara, Adharasmat, Adharat. Swa, Swasmat, Swat, Antara, Antarasmat, Antarat. Then Ni is also replaced. Same thing. Purva plus Ni. It was. Ni was always getting replaced by Smin. By Ngasing Yoho Smats Mino. But the Purvadibhyo Navabhyo came. Is that do not do this Smat and Smina Adeshas always. Do them optionally when there is Anga, either Purva, Para or one of these 9. Then that will come optionally, means Smat Smina will come optionally. So Purva plus it will get Smat by Ngasing Yoho Smats Mino. It will get At by Ta Ngasing Asaminatya. So here it will come At by Ngasa Minat Syaha. So sorry, Smin, sir. No, nothing. Here nothing will come. Not Ni remains Ni only, which turns into E later. Nothing. just smin will come because of sarvanama saujna, and when the sarvanama saujna will not happen, sometimes it will optionally only smin will come, once it will not come, once it will come, once it will not come. When it will not come, ni will remain ni only, nothing. So ni, when ni remains ni only, so it is just when the nga disappears, lashakvatadhyate, it remains e. Nothing. No Tangasika Saminatsya. Tangasika Saminatsya works only for Tritiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachana, Panchama Vibhakti Ekvachana, Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachana, not Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachana. Just E remains E. So Purva plus Smin, optionally E. When there is Smin, answer is Purva Smin. And when there is no Smin, only E is there, then Guna Sandhi takes place. Purve. A plus E, A, Purve. Nothing else. The same thing is applied for remaining Parasmin, Pare, Avarasmin, Avare, Dakshinasmin, Dakshine, Uttarasmin, Uttare, Aparasmin, Apare, Adharasmin, Adhare, Swasmin, Swe, Antarasmin, Antare. Shesham Sarovar. This. The work of this sutra is clear. Evam paradini means rest of the para etc. are also declined like in the same way, just like this. Same things are given. Panchami, Saptami, Panchami, Saptami, Panchami, Saptami is given here of all of them. Then Shesham Sarovat. Shesham Sarovat means what? We changed Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachana just. There we brought optionally. Sarvanama Saujna we brought optionally. When Sarvanama Saujna took place, she, just as she, the she Adesha happened to just. When Sarvanama Saujna was not there, then just remained just only. So once we got Purvaha, once we got Purve. Then in the case of Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachana and Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachana, optionally we brought Smat Adesha, or once we put just At by Tangasika Saminatsya, and thus we got Purva Smat Purvat. Then in the case of Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachana, Purvasmin Purve, the Smina Adesha came optionally. Then rest of the forms we did not talk about them, so they will happen or they will be declined as per the Sarva. Sarva, how we had declined? Sarvaha, Sarvau, Ve, Sarvam, Sarvau, Sarvan, Sarvena, Sarvabhyam, Sarvaihi, Sarvaya, no, Sarvasmai, Sarvabhyam, Sarvebhyah, Sarvasmat, Sarvabhyam, Sarvebhyah, Sarvasya, Sarvayoho, Sarvesham, Sarvasmin, Sarvayoho, Sarvesho. Here it's declined Purva here. Purvaha, Purvau, Purve and Purvaha. Just in the case of just only the change took place. Then Purvam, Amipurvaha, Am Pratyay came in front of it. So the Purva Rupa Sandhi took place when there is Ajadi Anga and there is Am Pratyay in front of it. Then just Purva Rupa takes place. Purvam, Purvav, Purvan. Prathamayoho Purva Savarna Dirgha. So Purva Savarna Dirgha takes place between Purva A plus shas, the of shas. Then purva sa. That's what the situation we get. Then sa gets replaced by na. Tasmat chaso na punsi. In the case of pullinga, when savarna dirgha takes place after savarna dirgha, sa of shas pratyaya gets replaced by na, and we get purvan. Then purvena ta ngasi ngasaminatyaha. So ta will be replaced by ina, ngasi will be replaced by at, and sya. Ngas will be replaced by sya when there is ajantanga. So thus we brought ina on the place of ta, purve na, then na was turned into na by atkup wangnum vyavayepi. When there is ra, sha before na, and even if there is at pratyahara vyavadhana or ka varga vyavadhana or pa varga vyavadhana, na turns into na. So purvena, purvabhyam. Is supicha. By this sutra we did the dirgha adesha to the akara. Yayadav supipare adantangasya dirgha. Then purvaihi ato bhisa ais adantat angat bhisa aisya. So ais was brought on the place of bhis pratyahara. Bis pratyaya, and we got purvaihi. Here purvasmai, this sarvanamna smai. By this sutra, when there is sarvanama, after that sarvanama, if there is nge pratyaya, that will be replaced by sme. Just purvasmai, not sme, smai, purvasmai. Abhyam. Then purvebhya. The a was replaced by a. Bahuvachane jhalyet. Jhaladav bahuvachane supi pratyaya pare. When there is sup pratyaya which starts with jhal and it is of bahuvachana, a of that anga gets replaced by a. So purva becomes purve and then bhyas. Purve bhyas. Then sa turns into ru. By sa sayusho ruhu. Then kharavasanayor visarjaniyaha. Purvebhyaha. Here we get two forms, purvasmat and purvat. Purvasmat because of this purvaribhyo navabhyo va. This sutra comes and it tells that what you are bringing smat adesha always in the case of sarvanama, do not bring it always. For this ngasi, bring it optionally. So once it comes, once it does not come. When smat comes, it becomes purva smat. When smat does not come, then at happens. And thus we get purva smat as well as purvat. Then dvivachana purvabhyam. Bahuvachana again as chaturthi vibhakti. Purvebhya. Purvasya. Tangasingasaminatyaha. Ngas was replaced by sya. Purva yoho. Osicha. By osicha sutra, the akara of anga was replaced by ekara, and that sutra came right after bahuvachane jhalyet. Bahuvachane jhalyet sutra tells that when there is jhaladi bahuvachana pratyaya in front of adanta anga, that akaranta anga, that akara will be replaced by ekara. Do the same process in the case of os pratyaya as well. That's what the meaning is of osicha. And thus purva plus os, purve plus os, that's how we brought. Then purve plus os, ayadya adesha takes place. Purvai plus os, purvayos, purvayoru, purvayor, purvayoho. That's what we get. Then purve sham. So this ami sarvanamnah sut agamasyat. Sarvanamnah ami pare sati am iti pratyasya sut agamah bhavati. When there is this sarvanama, and then there is am pratyaya, then sut agama comes, it becomes the first part of am pratyaya, it becomes sam, purva sam. Again, bahuvachane jhalyat sutra comes and it tells that if jhaladi bahuvachana pratyaya is there, akaranta anga will get ekarantatva. So sa is included in jhal pratyahara, shasha sa hal, that's how it goes. So sa is also included. So thus that a turns into ekara, purve sam. This is what we get. Then adesha pratyayoho. It says that when there is sa, which is either has come as adesha or is a part of pratyaya, then what happens? That sir, if it is getting replaced, that type of sir which is itself is adesha or which is a part of pratyaya, that sir, if it is preceded by in pratyahara letter or ku means ka varga letter, then that sir turns into murdhanya sha. So thus here ekara is in pratyahara letter. Iu, ruru, a, o, I, o, hayavara, la. So in pratyahara is this. In that a is already included, and because of that, sa turns into sha, purve, sham. We get. Again here, the purvadibhyo navabhyo va. Nasinyo smatsminau purvadibhyo navabhyo. Sarvanamnah nasinyoho smatsminau purvadibhya navabhya vikalpena syat. So bring that, put that sarvanamna later. So purvadibhyah navabhyah sarvanamabhyah, purvadibhyah navabhyah sarvanamabhyah nasinyoho smatsmino vikalpena stah. So thus purvadi nava are there, purva, and we will bring that smin optionally, smin when it is brought. When it is not brought, e only remains. So purve, gunasandhi takes place and we get form. Then Vayoho as Osicha Ekara takes place and Ayadya Adesha, and then Purveshu. Purva Sup. This was the original situation. Per disappears. Purva Su. This is what we get. Then Jhaladev Bahuvachane Jhalyat by this sutra. Akaranta Anga becomes Ekaranta Purve Su. Then because of in Pratyahara letter, Sa of Pratyaya turns into Sha by Adesha Pratyayo Purveshu. This is what we get. So Purva is Sarvanama, but it is optionally Sarvanama in the case of just. And Smat comes optionally in the case of Panchami. Smin comes optionally in the case of Saptami. Rest of the forms are similar to Sarva Sarvanama. This is said by this Shesham Sarvavat. So except these three vibhakti pratyas, Panchami vibhakti ekvachana, Saptami vibhakti ekvachana, and Prathama vibhakti bahuvachana, remaining forms are similar to Sarva. Same is applied to rest of the 8 pratyas. Evam paradinam, rest of the para etc. are also declined in the same manner. No change. Prathama vibhakti bahuvachan, Panchami vibhakti ekvachan, Saptami vibhakti ekvachan. Remaining forms are similar to Sarva. This sutra is clear. So we will move to the next sutra. We will move. Let's read. प्रथमचरमतयाल्पार्धकतिपयनेमाश्च 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 प्रथम चरम then taya alpa ardha katipaya nema. These many words you have to understand. This is Vartika. प्रथम चरम तय is तय प्रत्ययांतः. That's how you have to understand. Not अल्प अर्ध कतिपय. These words एते, these words प्रथम चरम तय प्रत्ययांतः, तय प्रत्ययांतः, अल्प अर्ध कतिपय नेम. These words जसी परे सति, when there is just pratyaya in front of them, उक्त संज्ञाः सर्वनाम संज्ञाः वा स्युः विकल्पेन स्युः, मे देवी सर्वनाम संज्ञक विकल्पेन. That is the meaning. Now prathama charama taya alpa ardha katipaya, these are not included in sarvadigana. Sarva vishwa ubhav bhaya datara datama anyanyatara itara nema samasima. Those words are not, these words are not included in sarvadigana. That's why they are separately mentioned here. Then taya pratyayanta. Taya is taya pratyaya, which is given here in this sutra. It is taya pratyaya. Those words which end with taya pratyaya. Then alpa, this word, ardha, katipaya and nema. These words will become optionally sarvanama in the case of just. That is the meaning. Then what will happen if I take prathama plus just, then prathama a plus as, the purva savarna dirgha takes place. Prathama as mas, then prathama ru sarusho ruhu. Mar Prathamaha. When it is not named as sarvanama, when it is just declined in the common manner, just simple naam hai, so that's how it is prathamaha. But this sutra says that prathama charama taya alpardha katipaya nemascha sarvanama saujnyakaha vasihu kada jasi pratyaya pare sati. This whole sutra is just prathama bhakti ekvachan and cha is avyaya, nothing. They also be named as sarvanama when there is just pratyaya in front of it. Now just is there, optionally it is named as sarvanama. When it is not named as sarvanama, we saw prathamaha. When it is named as sarvanama, then prathama just, prathama just a she. Prathama plus he lashakva tadhite. Prathama a plus e, both of them are replaced by guna. A. Get answer. So both the answers are Same thing happens with remaining words. So prathame prathamaha, prathama, charama, charame charamaha. Okay, rest of the thing is ramavat. So prathamaha prathamo prathamaha, prathamaha prathamo prathamaha, prathame, prathamam prathamo prathaman, prathamena prathamabhyam prathamabhyam as ramavat, no changes. Then charama, charamaha charamo, charame charamaha, charamam charamo charaman, charamena charamabhyam charamahi charamaya charamabhyam, just rama, nothing else. Then this, forget this vitaya tritaya, vitaya you just remember, keep it aside. Come to the alpa ardha katipaya nema. So alpa alpo alpe alpaha, the katipaye katipayaha, neme nemaha, that is the meaning. This we have to remember. Prathama, just a second, just take a new page and note it that Prathama, Charama, Taya, Alpa, Ardha and Katipaya. These names you write and circle this Taya and take one arrow out of it and write down Taya Pratyayanta. Then Prathama, Charama, Alpa, Ardha and Katipaya. These words are not included in Sarvadigana. These words are not included in Sarvadigana. That's why they were not getting named as Sarvanama. Okay. Name is included in Sarvadigana, which gets Sarvanama Saudhnya always. Which gets Sarvanama Saudhnya always. Prathama Charama, Taya, Alpa, Ardha, Katipaya. These do not get Sarvanama Saudhnya at any time. They are not Sarvanama Saudhnyaka at any time, whereas Nema is always Sarvanama Saudhnyaka. Now by this sutra, what happens? These words get Sarvanama Saudhnya optionally. So in the case of these words, Prathama, Charama, Taya, Pratyayanta, Alpa, Ardha and Katipaya, they are not Sarvanama, but in the case of just they become Sarvanama. Nema is Sarvanama always, but in the case of just it becomes optional. So for Prathama, Charama, Taya, Alpa, Ardha and Katipaya, except Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachana, remaining forms are similar to Rama Shabda. Because they are not Sarvanama Saudhnyaka. They become Sarvanama Saudhnyaka only for just Pratyaya. Okay. In the case of Nema, Nema is already Sarvanama Saudhnyaka, whereas it becomes optionally Sarvanama in the case of Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachana. So rest of the forms are similar to Sarva Sarvanama. Okay, Sarva Shabda. And the Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachan is similar to Sarva, similar to Rama as well. Okay. Remaining forms are, except Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachan, remaining forms, 20 forms are similar to Sarva Shabda for this Rama Nema Shabda. So I'll write Prathama Vachanati Riktani Sarvavat. Here बहुवचनाति रिक्तानि रामवत्. If you see This prathama is declined here. Prathama, prathamo, pratamaha, prathame. Only this extra, which looks like sarvanama, is coming here by this sutra, current sutra. Remaining are just like Rama Shabda, prathamaya, prathamat, prathamasya, etc. etc. Whereas nema is declined nemaha, nemo, neme. It is that's how it is supposed to be as a sarvanama. Nemam, nemo, neman, nemene, nemabhyam, nemahi, nemasmai, nemasmat, nemasmin, nemesham. These are the identities of sarvanama. So the sarvanama, it loses its sarvanama saudhya in the case of just, who, nema, and this prathama, charama, etc. they get sarvanama saudhya in the case of just. That is the difference between them. This is clear. Prathama, charama, taya, alpa, ardha, katipaya. These are not sarvanama. They become sarvanama in the case of just. Nema is sarvanama. It becomes normal in the case of just. This explanation is clear. Then we will go to line. I will explain this line. Difference is clear, na? Are you just confused?
No, it's clear.
Huh.
In Nema, it's normally Sarvanama except for just.
Huh.
Whereas it is the opposite for the others.
Huh. Yeah. So, एते जसि उक्त संज्ञाः स्युः उक्त सर्वनाम संज्ञाः विकल्पेन स्युः. So प्रथमे प्रथमाः, then तय प्रत्ययः we will see. शेषम रामवत्. So प्रथम चरम तय अल्प अर्ध कतिपय, the remaining forms are रामवत्. नेम नेमाः, नेमे नेमाः, the शेषम of what? नेम इति शब्दस्य शेषम सर्ववत्. That is how we have to understand. Shesham Ramavat Prathamadi Shabdanam Sheshani Rupani Rama Shabdavat. That's how you have to understand. Okay. Now, this Taya Pratyaya. Taya Pratyaya comes after Sankhya. Here. Sankhya Avayave Taya means, for example, I want to say that which has 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, avayava. So that whatever the amount of parts we want to talk about, after that particular number, that taya pratyaya comes. Taya pratyaya comes. For example, this dvi, and we want to say that 2 parts are there of that particular thing. Whatever thing has 2 parts, and we want to talk about that thing. So we will say dvitaya. There is specific word for that. Dvitaya. Dve avayave yasya, dvau avayavau yasya saha dvitayah. Dvau avayavau yasya saha dvitayah. Disappears, just taya remains, and that taya part is taken in sutra. That taya is taken in sutra. So prathama charama taya. Taya means taya pratyaya. Taya pratyayanta and not pratyaya, because only mere pratyaya is not of any use. It has to get attached with prakriti. Then only it is of any use. So dvitaya.